Welcome to our advanced tutorial on Nightwatch segmentation. Today, we'll explore how to dive deep into your crucial keyword metrics to gain a comprehensive perspective on your rankings, website performance, and the latest search engine trends. By mastering segmentation, you'll be equipped to precisely identify the keyword segments that require your attention, leading to improved visibility and higher conversion rates. Let's start with an example of global segmentation, a powerful approach that can be applied across multiple URLs. In our first example, we'll create an advanced filter. First, we'll filter out only the non-branded keywords. These are keywords that are not directly associated with your brand, but are crucial for attracting new audiences. Once we have filtered out the non-branded keywords, we'll apply an additional filter for high search volume. These are the keywords we want to focus on ranking for, as they have the potential to drive significant traffic. The beauty of segments is that they work dynamically. As new keywords emerge, they're automatically added to the global overview, ensuring your data is always up to date. Finally, you can easily generate an automated white label report for these segments. This report can be customized and shared with your team members, clients, keeping everyone aligned with your SEO strategy. By leveraging advanced segmentation in Nightwatch, you'll gain deeper insights and make data-driven decisions that elevate your search performance. Start segmenting smarter today.